Vroom, vroom. Look at those 3 monster bikes roaring across the bridge.
Whoa, where did they go? They've turned into mysterious shadows in the garage.
Hold on to your hats, everyone. It's a magical power-up sequence. Zap pow! Okay, team. These monster bikes need their wheels back. Can you spot the missing parts?
Is that a square wheel? No way, buddy. It has to be round to roll.
Amazing.
Great eye. Point to the screen and help us snap that gear into place. Click.
Oh yeah!
One more wheel to go. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3.
Boom! The final piece is in. Look at those amazing monsters shine. Yes!
Sitting in metal positions, can they bump up and take that lead away from Josh Sheehan? This is Rob Adelberg.
I just think when this run is all said and done, because Rob has a really good flow on the
Check out those fireworks. You did a fantastic job helping our bike friends get ready for the road.
Whoa, look at that real-life rider go. Those stunts are super high flying.
And watch out, he's also got that double backflip in his arsenal as well.
That was such one great trick.
And both of these guys are looking to do it right out of the gate. There's the double. So you're
Practice to come out with a front flip, right into a double backflip. You've got to calm yourself down.
But it was the 5-time best win gold medalist Jared McNeil that was on point from start to finish. And he comes out of this one as the top qualifier going into the medal round. Man of the hour in the last round, Jared McNeil. In the first round, he was on that top spot, but nobody was able to bounce.
You guys are absolute puzzle champions today. Thanks for playing, and we'll see you on the next big adventure. Bye-bye. Hey there, little builders. Ready to solve some big construction puzzles today? Vroom, vroom.
Look at those shiny buckets. I bet I can jump higher than them, right?
Oh, they're turning into shadows. Can you guess which one is our hard-working digger? There it is. Let's help our digger friend get back to work by finding its missing pieces. Drag the big wheels over. Click-clack, they fit perfectly into the slots.
Maybe the bucket goes on top like a hat? No, that's silly, right?
Not quite silly. The bucket goes right at the front to scoop up all that dirt. Let's try again. Grab your virtual wrench. Let's tighten those bolts so our digger is strong and sturdy. Ta-da! Our hard-working digger is ready to roll. Great teamwork, everyone!
Whoa, look at those tracks! This one is a special tracked excavator for muddy roads.
Count the tracks together. 1, 2. Perfect. Now let's slide the body right on top. Use the screwdriver. Spin it around. Zit! Everything is nice and secure now. We did it! Both machines are ready for the job site. You guys are master builders.
That was awesome! Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more building fun. Bye-bye.
Welcome, everyone. Look at those beautiful construction vehicles under the rainbow. Vroom, vroom.
Hey, is that a yellow dinosaur? I bet he's going to eat the tractor. Nom nom nom.
Oh, silly, he's not eating it. Our dinosaur friend is playing a super fun silhouette puzzle. Can you help him match the shapes?
2, 1, go!
Watch this. He's dragging the hardworking digger into its spot. Click. Perfect match.
I think the cement mixer should go in the sky. Wait, why is the screen shaking? Oops, wrong spot.
Nice try. Let's slide that mighty truck right into the matching shadow. Beep, beep. It fits like a glove. You're doing amazing. Only one more piece left. Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3, go! Ta-da! You solved it! You are a puzzle master! Don't forget to smash that subscribe button for more fun! Hey everyone! Welcome to our puzzle garage where the mighty green truck is ready for a wild adventure. Boom!
Whoa, look at that silhouette. Is it a giant toaster? Maybe a dancing spaceship.
Silly! That is the frame of our mighty dump truck. Let's pick the perfect colorful cab to get him moving.
Look at Mr. Bean trying to fit that tiny blue cab. Oh, he's so funny. That's definitely not the right piece, buddy.
Great choice! The cab is locked in. Now, can you help us find the matching green bed for his cargo? Zap! Did you see that spark? The pieces are magically snapping together like puzzle magnets. Clack! Zoom! Oh my goodness, he looks absolutely fantastic. Oh no, friends! A big storm is here and our brave ambulance buddy is in trouble. Watch out! Beep beep crash!
Is the ambulance going to race the fire truck? I bet it's a super fast race.
Actually, the poor ambulance is stuck, but our heroic fire truck is zooming off to help someone else in need. Look who arrived! It's our kind rescue truck friend, coming to save the day with a big clank clank. help me count the wheels on the rescue truck. 1, 2, 3, 4! Great job, everyone!
We did it! The ambulance is safe and sound. High five.
Welcome, Puzzle Explorers. Today we're matching shadows with our super speedy monster truck friends.
Whoa, look at those cool colors. Red, blue, yellow, and green. They're ready to race.
The lights are dimming, everyone. Can you help us find their shadows?
Go!
3, 2, 1, go!
I'm putting the red truck here. Wait, that's not right, is it?
Nice try, but let's slide it over to the blue zone. Pop! Perfect match! Vroom, vroom! Look at that red machine sparkle. Great job, everyone.
Now for the blue-white truck. Is this the right spot? Nope. Let's keep searching.
You found it! That shiny truck fits perfectly in its shadow. Kapow! It's glowing! Yellow truck is next. Does it fit here? No, keep going. You can do it.
Beep, beep, beep. There it is. Our bright yellow friend is locked in and looking sharp.
You mean Devil's Lighthouse?
Last one. Our green monster truck friend is looking for a home. Let's find the match.
Yay!
You did it! Every truck is home. You are total puzzle pros. See you next time for more fun. Hey there, puzzle explorers! Buckle up for a high-speed adventure with our colorful vehicle friends. Vroom vroom!
Whoa, look at those shadows. Is that a super fast race bike? I think it's a giant tricycle.
Haha, not quite. It's our brave police motorcycle. Let's find the matching parts to help him get ready for duty. Can you spot the round wheel? Point your finger at the screen and help us drag it to the shadow. Click! That wheel fits perfectly. Now let's count how many sirens we need to attach. 1, 2.
I found the siren. It goes right on top to help him zoom through traffic. Beep, beep.
We are almost done, team. Just a few more bolts, and the brave police motorcycle will be ready to roll. 3, 2, 1. Snap it into place. Great teamwork, everyone.
Ta-da! Look at that shine. Our police hero is looking sharp and ready for action. Boom! Confetti party time.
You all did amazing today. Give yourselves a huge high five. See you next time for more puzzle fun. Welcome, puzzle explorers. Are you ready to build some amazing construction machines today? Is that a road roller? Let's see if it fits the mystery shape.
Nope, not that one. Bummer! Let's keep looking.
Maybe this big dump truck is the one. Oh, the no sign says try again.
Watch out! Here comes the forklift with a heavy crate. Beep!
Not quite. That forklift is for warehouses, not our puzzle today. Look at that bulldozer. Is it our winner? Oh, still not it. Wait, the pieces are flying in. Click, clack, zoom. Let's build this mighty bulldozer.
Ta-da! Our strong bulldozer friend is ready to move some dirt. Vroom, vroom.
No. Oh my God!
Next up, our helpful dump truck. Let's snap these part together. 1, 2, 3, go!
No!
Now, now for the road roller. Round and round it goes, flattening the ground perfectly. Last but not least, the forklift. Look at those sharp lifting forks go up and down.
Oh my God!
We did it! All our construction buddies are here to celebrate. You kids are absolute puzzle masters. High five, everyone.
You know what happened with the D.R.E.
Welcome, puzzle explorers. Today we have our hard-working digger buddies ready for a big construction adventure.
Whoa! Did a dragon just turn our construction friends into shadows? That's super spooky! What?
Oh no! Look at that sad little kitty. Don't worry, little one. We're going to fix this. Shazam! A magical blue light is bringing our machines back to life. Vroom! They're waking up!
3,
It's puzzle time! Can you spot the missing piece for our hard-working orange excavator? Point right at it!
Maybe it's a giant slice of pizza? No? Okay, I'm just kidding. Keep looking, everyone.
Look, our kitty friend is helping us. She's such a clever little helper. Click that piece into place. She's thinking really hard now. Does that square part fit the yellow excavator? Let's count down. 3, 2, 1, snap! We did it! The machines are complete and looking shiny and new. Great teamwork, everyone! You're all master builders! Hi, friends! Welcome to our garage. Let's build some brave police vehicles together. Zoom, zoom!
I bet that blue door goes on the truck. Wait, no, maybe the car? Let's try it.
Great guess, but look closer. The blue door fits perfectly on our brave police car, buddy. Click!
Zoom, 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 the
Ting!
police truck
Another
is
door locked
here.
in place. Can
Bouncing
you point to the red
along,
SUV
spreading
door,
cheer.
everyone?
vroom vroom. Our orange police SUV is patrolling the streets. Look at it go.
Look out, here I come.
Now for the green door. Does it belong on the mighty truck or the car? You tell me. You found it. The green door is a perfect match for the truck. You guys are puzzle pros.
Bouncing up and down, watch me spin around.
Amazing
I'm
job.
the funniest police
All our
car
police
in the
friends
whole
are ready for
town.
duty. Tap the share button to show your friends our cool garage. Bye-bye. Welcome, puzzle racers. Are you ready to build the coolest monster trucks ever? Vroom, vroom.
Look at those empty frames. I bet I can fit a monkey head on that truck right now.
Oh, not so fast. Let's think. Does a monkey belong on a monster truck chassis? Let's find the perfect match.
Whoops! That red X means it's a no-go. Keep trying, friends.
Great effort. Now, let's see if the mighty mammoth head fits on our heavy-duty frame. Click! You're getting the hang of it. Which animal buddy goes on the last truck?
Maybe a pig. Oink oink, let's slide it into place.
Boom! They are all assembled and looking amazing. Fantastic puzzle solving, everyone.
That was epic. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fun. See you next time.
Welcome, puzzle explorers. Get ready for a wild ride with our hard-working digger friends.
Whoa, did you see that T-Rex? Roar, that digger needs a new home fast.
I'll do whatever
Oh no, poor digger. Even the squirrel is shocked. Let's rebuild these machines together, team. Check out these parts. Can you spot which arm belongs to our hard-working digger? Point to it.
No. Maybe this big pointy one fits? Wait, why is the rabbit shaking his head at me?
Nice try, but that's the wrong piece. Keep looking. You can definitely find the perfect match. Yes, that fits like a glove. Click! Our digger is looking strong again. Great job. Time for the tracks. Don't let the cat distract you. Focus on the shape. Which one goes on the bottom?
Nope. Oops, that track is way too tiny. We need the heavy-duty ones for this big guy.
Did it! Look at them go! Zoom, zoom! Mickey is cheering because you are a master builder.
Boom! Fireworks for our puzzle champions. You guys are totally amazing. See you next time.
Welcome, Puzzle Masters. Today we are on a mission with our brave city patrol squad.
Whoa, did you see that? Michael Scott just had a super loud kaboom behind him.
Let's build our mighty SWAT vehicle together. Can you spot where the chassis piece goes? Point right at it.
I think we should paint the whole thing polka dot pink, right?
Haha, not quite. Let's keep it professional. But look, a kitty sticker on top makes it look so friendly. Tighten those bolts with a big click. Our SWAT vehicle is looking tough and ready for duty. Now for our brave police car friend. Grab the wheels. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you count them with me? huge thumbs up to our shiny police car. Last one. The big police pickup truck needs its heavy-duty bumper. Does it fit on the front or the back?
Bet it goes on the roof.
Nice try, but it goes right on the front. Vroom vroom, look at that engine roar to life. You did it, puzzle heroes. Fireworks for everyone. You are all officially master builders today. See you next time. Hello, puzzle explorers. Look at this magical cloud cube spinning in the sky.
Whoa, did you see that spark? Our construction friends are getting a super-powered upgrade.
Oh no, the hardworking digger and his pals lost their cabins. Can you help our puppy friends find the right pieces?
Go!
I think the blue one fits the dump truck. Wait, no, maybe it's the green one?
Nope.
Not quite silly. Let's listen to the beat. Tap your fingers on the screen when the rhythm hits the mark. Click! That's it! You matched the cabin perfectly. Vroom vroom. The mighty truck is looking sharp now.
Look at them go! The heroic fire truck is zooming through the city. Keep that rhythm going, team!
Everyone shout, beep, beep, as our construction crew clears the road. You guys are doing amazing!
Boom! Fireworks for our finished vehicles! You solved every single puzzle like total pros!
We had so much fun building with you. Hit that subscribe button to join our next big adventure. Whoa, did you see that portal open up? Welcome to the ultimate puzzle party, everyone.
Is that a cat? Maybe it wants to help us solve these puzzles. Meow! What?
Look closely. We need to match these heads to their super speedy vehicle bodies.
I think this wheel belongs on a toaster. Wait, that's not right, is it?
You found it! Blaze and his friends are back together. Heart-tastic work! Boing! Hop on the tiles. Can you keep up with the rhythm? Tap your feet!
Vroom vroom! Look at those points climb! You guys are racing pros!
McMissile, McQueen.
Fireworks for our puzzle champions. You solved every single one.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so we can play again soon. See ya!